Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video was made for lesson plan and classroom management subjects. And firstly, I will introduce myself. My name is Yacub and my friend is Salsabila Prematura. And we are actually from different groups, but we decided to work together because finding ebook sources about our material is quite difficult. And another reason we work together is the material that we discussed is quite close, or can be said almost the same. And the first topic is about how to turn the volume up and down in the classroom, and the second topic is about how to extend teacher range of voice. So I hope you can clearly listening about our explanation, and I hope you enjoy our video. When in the classroom, you have to know when you are allowed to turn up or down your volume. As an English teacher, you have to know the condition in your class. You have to know when you are allowed to shout and when is not. For example, when the class situation is crowded, you will not get the student attention, right? But once you talk quite loudly, the student probably notice that you are talking in front of the class. On the contrary, when you want to comfort your students during class activity, you can turn down your voice, use a soft voice, and talk slowly to the students. When you are a teacher, your voice should be clear, positive, and non-threatening. When delivering a course, our articulation should be stable. It helps us to speak clearly because our speed is in controlled situation. In addition, the student will feel comfortable to listening our explanation. Even though student didn't listen to our course, we shouldn't give demanding or we give much pressure to them. So, because if we use a word that make them feel pressure, it will change our voice tone and break the student hearts.
The second topic is how an English teacher to extend the thesis range of voice tones. There are 2 points in this topic. First, know what are you going to talk. As an English teacher, we have to consider the words that we say. Practice to speak before the class begins. It will avoid us to talk an important thing while explaining a course. It also helps us to speak clearly and understandable. The second point is gesture and body language. Beside voice of tone, there is something we need to consider either. There is a gesture. Gesture help us to deliver our mind easily. But be careful with gesture. For the example, when we use the same gesture while in a course, our student unconsciously will imitate us and make fun of it. Another example, when we calling on a student, avoid pointing. Rather, gesture with your palm up. It will be a more inviting message. So that's all our presentation about. Thank you for your attention. See you.